Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Tree Classroom. Midende Kwejo. And what do I have for you today? Today, we are going to learn how to ask for someone's name in Tree. But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please help us by subscribing to this channel, like this video, and also share so that your friends can also learn Tree and speak with you. Now, there are basically four ways in which you can ask for someone's name. So we are going to take it one after the other and also how to respond to such questions when they are asked. So let's look at the first one. Wo din de sen. Wo din de sen. Wo din de sen. So wo means you. Din is name. De in this context is, and then saying is what. So within the saying. And how will you respond to this? You say medinde, then you add your name. So I will say medinde Kwejo. Medinde Kwejo. And basically you also want to know the person's name in return. So you use the word na wonswe. Na wonswe. And you too. So midende Kwejo. Na wonswe. So let's take it again. Within the saying. Midende Kwejo. Na wonswe. Good. So now let's practice it. Within the saying.
Midinde Ekuya na wonswe.
Midende Kwejo. Now, the second way you can ask for someone's name is to say, Ye fre wo sen. Ye fre wo sen. Ye fre wo sen. So, ye is we, fre is call, you is wo, and then sen is what. So, we call you what? Ye fre wo sen. And how do you respond to that? You say, Ye fre me. Then you add your name. So I will say, Ye fre me Kwejo. Ye fre me Kwejo. And then you also want to ask the same question, but you don't want to repeat it. So you simply say, and you too. And you too is na wonswe. Na wonswe. So I'll go over again. Ye fre wo sen. Ye fre me Kwejo. Na wonswe. Then the person will also respond. Ye fre me question. So let's practice it. Ye fre wo sen.
Yɛfrɛ me Ekuya na wonswe.
Ye fre me Kwejo. So we go to the third phrase that we can use to ask for someone's name in Twi. And we say wo de sen. We say wo de sen. Wo de sen. Wo de sen. Wo de sen. Then you respond as me de. Then your name. So I will say me de Kwejo. Me de Kwejo. And if I want to also know your name, then I will say na wonswe. Me de Kwejo. Na wonswe. So let's see. What they saying? Me de Kwejo. Na wonswe. Good. Let's practice it. What they saying?
Mede Ekuya na wonswe.
Me de Kwejo. Wo fre wo sen. Wo fre wo sen. Wo is day. Fre is call. You is wo. And then sen is what. So it means they call you what? Wɔfrɛ wo sɛn? And how do you respond? You say wɔfrɛ me. Then you add your name. Wɔfrɛ me Kwadwo. And then na wo nso ɛ? And you too. Wɔfrɛ me Kwadwo. Na wo nso ɛ? Then the person will also respond. Wɔfrɛ me Kwasi. Now, let's have practice with this one too. Wɔfrɛ wo sɛn?
Wɔfrɛ me Ekia na wo so ɛ?
Wɔfrɛ me Kwadwo.